welcome to the English Literature UGC NET channel. I am Deep Roy and I have qualified 6 times NET and 2 times GRF. Today the topic I am going to discuss in this video is whether PhD degree will be mandatory or not for the post of assistant professor in universities or colleges from 2021 after the release of the UGC new regulation 2018. Rumors spread across the country that PhD will be mandatory from 2021 even in colleges. But in this video, I will show you why I am saying that PhD degree will not be mandatory from 2021 for the post of assistant professor in colleges. After watching this video, all the doubts will be clear. But please don't skip the video. Please watch this video till the last minute so that you can have a better understanding. Please subscribe my channel so that you can get all the updates regarding this from me. So let's begin the video. This is the UGC new regulation 2018. After the release of the new regulation, rumors spread across the India that PhD degree will be mandatory from 2021 even in colleges. But for better understanding, we have to check the eligibility criteria for the post of assistant professor, and it is the eligibility criteria for the post of assistant professor. And what it says that first one, master degree with 55% marks in relevant allied subject from Indian university or equivalent degree from accredited foreign universities. Number one. And number two, beside fulfilling the above qualification, the candidate must have cleared the national eligibility test conducted by UGC or CSIR or similar tests like SET or SLATE, or who have been awarded PhD degree in accordance with the University Grant Commission Regulation 2029. So it says that if you have qualified UGC NET, then for the post of assistant professor, 55% marks in master degree with NET will be the minimum eligibility for the post of assistant professor in colleges. But if you have not qualified UGC NET, then you have to have a PhD degree. That is it. So if you have already qualified UGC NET, you will be eligible for the post of assistant professor. And I will show you another notice that is from MHRD, and that was released on June 13th, 2018, and it is the highlights of minimum qualification for the post of teachers in universities and colleges and measures for maintenance of standards in higher education. And at the top, at the beginning of the notice, it clears that PhD degree will be mandatory for direct recruitment to assistant professor in universities. It does not at all mentions that PhD degree will be mandatory in colleges for the post of assistant professor. It mentions that in universities PhD degree will be mandatory for the post of assistant professor. And let's see the another criteria. It says that number 7, PhD degree has been made mandatory for promotion to assistant professor in colleges from 2020. It means that an assistant professor and who wants a promotion from assistant professor to the higher level, that is the associate professor or professor, then he or she must have a PhD degree. But it does not say that for the post of assistant professor, PhD degree will be mandatory in colleges. But it also says that clearly that PhD degree will be mandatory for direct recruitment to assistant professor in university from 2021. What it says that PhD degree will be mandatory for the promotion of an assistant professor to the higher level, and PhD degree will be mandatory for the direct recruitment of the post of assistant professor in universities. So I will show another note in the end of the notice, what it says that PhD degree shall be mandatory requirement for direct recruitment to the post of assistant professor in university with the effect of 2021. So PhD degree clearly mentions that PhD degree will be minimum requirement for the direct recruitment to the post of assistant professor in universities. But however, it also says, however, master degree with NET or PhD will continue to be the minimum eligibility for recruitment for direct recruitment to assistant professor in colleges. What it says that master degree with NET or PhD will be continue to the minimum eligibility for the post of assistant professor in colleges. So it means that if you have qualified NET with 5% marks in master degree, then you are eligible for the post of assistant professor in colleges. And those who have not qualified NET, UGC NET or CSIR NET, then he or she must have a PhD degree for the post of assistant professor in colleges. So if you have NET and 55% marks in master degree, then you are eligible for the post of assistant professor in colleges. So in conclusion, we can say that PhD degree is not mandatory for recruitment to assistant professors in colleges. For the post of assistant professor in colleges, 55% marks in master degree with UGC NET or CSIR NET will be the minimum qualification. And number 2, PhD is mandatory for promotion from assistant professor to associate professor in colleges. However, PhD is mandatory for recruitment to the assistant professor in university. So in the case of universities, PhD degree is mandatory for recruitment to the assistant professor. So in conclusion, we say that PhD degree will not be mandatory for the post of assistant professor in colleges. So today I end my discussion with this, and if you have liked my video, please like, and if you have any query, any doubts, please comment below. I will try to answer all your doubts. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.